We're at Old South Pittsburgh Hospital, and I'm with Bo right here. He's pretty much a veteran in this place, so we're going to do a little 10-minute interview. Bo, take it away, man. Tell us about this place.
Yeah, well, I've been here probably off and on. I stayed here for about a month and a half. Met Doug and Cindy, that was the caretakers at the time. I came up here and helped Doug try to do a little bit of work on the place. And I was able to roam around and look at stuff about 6 o'clock in the morning when nobody was here.
Oh, man.
It's pretty freaking haunting. It's the third floor is if you can't handle it, you don't want to go up there.
Yeah.
There's many different places in here. There was a gentleman that was a caretaker here years and years ago that passed away there. And there's a big, tall, black figure that walks around, and he's not very nice.
Oh, man.
But it's a great place to come. And if anybody has a chance to come here, it's well worth it. So,
Bo, let me ask, how many square feet do you think this is here?
68, what is it, 6,800,
68,000
foot.
That's about right for a hospital.
Yeah.
It's,
I don't know,
looking at it right
the
here.
gentleman that just bought the place, I think he's trying to fix it up a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a great place to come.
Well, we're going to be here with the searchers tomorrow, and I know Bo, man, he knows a lot about this place, and we're going to be here. And real quick, Bo, what when you were here by yourself, which is just freaking hard to believe, what did you experience here by yourself? By yourself, do you think they were preying on you, or?
I had some hair pulled, t-shirt pulled. I had one area where the old files were kept as all metal cabinets, and as I was walking, it was like somebody with a stick hitting them as I was walking.
Holy shit myself.
And I was walking down the hall at night, and I could hear footsteps behind me.
Yeah.
And I'd stop and I'd look, nobody's there, and I'd take off walking again, do the same thing. So most of it's prankster stuff like that.
Yeah.
There is a grumpy old nurse in the where the babies are born. Now, she don't like people coming in and messing with her babies.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, it's got a lot. I mean, I could sit here and talk for 3 hours about everything that goes on in this place. But yeah.
Anyway, this is Bo Coggins. He's with Suncoast Paranormal and my team, and I just wanted to get him on camera to share a little bit of his experiences. But we're going to be here tomorrow night with Shane Pittman from the Searchers and Josh Purvis, and they're an excellent team. And we're going to be here with our gear tomorrow, and we're going to check it out. So one more look around here. So, all right, thanks a lot, Bo.
Oh yeah.